Alright, so I got some welds. That one's really ugly. I tried to cover up over another one. Did a little better. A little bit ugly. Not bad. In my opinion. Get y'all over here. That one's a little ugly. Get a paint that combines gorgeous color and durability. That one's real ugly. Platinum Plus is a paint and primer with a looks horrible on the phone. Scuffs, spills, and stains. Anyway, that's one of them. Let me get this. Got a little bit there. Hopefully it actually heated up the floor and penetrated the floor. Let me take y'all over here. I know some fast movements, right? I'm not the guy that walks around slow or zooms in or just does different stuff. So we got some more welds on this side. I still gotta clean them. Anyway, I'm not too unhappy with it. I think it'll work. I think I'm gonna drill some holes and put some bolts in there anyway, because this one's pretty long. So I'm thinking a bolt, not quite on the end. I got the welds there, so I'm thinking I'll put bolts here and then come down here where I had to weld two pieces. I'll put a bolt and then a bolt, 2 bolts. The back, the ones behind the wheels, I'm just gonna put ones right in the center, because that's where my attachment's gonna go anyway. And I'm just using these. That's it. So we'll see how they work. If not, like I say, I'll mount some kind of, I'll go get a real mount or something like that, and a real trailer mount like we're used to, and try those. But I wanted to try these, see what's up. I got a tire going flat on the trailer, so these are the ones on the back. And as you can see, I still have my strap here because I got it run up over the axle. But I don't really know if I care to have that there or just hook it underneath. I don't like having it hooked underneath and not having it hooked to something or looped through something, because it could just come off. But I'm gonna use the full tire net, I guess you could call it. Usually you see them on car dollies, but I'm gonna use one of those. I'm gonna put those on the fronts, on both front tires, so, and I'll still have the winch hooked up, so I think I'm gonna be okay. I don't have the rights to that music, so if I can ever learn how to upload and delete the music, I'm gonna do that. But for some reason, it's a lot easier using my phone and recording. I have the Insta360. I'm gonna still keep using it. I don't have it today. I bought a mic for it. More money that I probably didn't need to spend. But yeah, I'm gonna use the Insta360 definitely for racing. So I really want to see what my feet are doing, and when and where, watch the videos and see when and where I'm braking and lifting and turning for the turns and stuff. You know, these guys got 20 plus years out there that I'll be racing, and I'm gonna need anything and everything I can to kind of teach myself and try to build a habit of what to do and where. Any chance I get, I'm gonna follow those guys for a while, especially the ones that are leading. If I'm starting, especially in the back or something, and they're in the back, which they usually are, uh, I'm gonna follow them as much as I can, and hopefully not run into them, and just see how they're driving and where they're doing stuff, and just follow them and learn. Uh, Obviously, if you're racing and stuff like that, or doing any kind of sport, you're competitive. And I would love to get up there and run up front right away and win this and that, but I'm not a natural, and I didn't grow up doing this, so we'll see. Uh, I think I'm gonna drill some holes now. That ought to be interesting. This stuff does not drill easy at all. And find some bolts and put in there. I think I'm gonna use. I don't think I'm gonna use 1/4 inch bolts, man. I think I'm gonna use 5/16 bolts. I think I'll use 5/16. They're just thicker. They're way thicker than a 1/4 inch. I mean, look at the difference in the size. 5/16, 1/4. I don't think I need to go up to 3/8. I don't think it's necessary. Like I said, I got the welds on there, so I'm thinking I can just use 5/16. I'll put a lock washer on the bottom, a lock nut on the bottom, and it should be all right. I might even tack weld the nuts. I might not even use lock washers. Lock nuts. I might just put a regular nut under there and just tack weld it on 2 sides. That way I don't have to be under the trailer to hold a wrench and on top to unbolt them if I don't like these things, because I'll be cutting them off. I might leave them on there just because they're probably good enough for doing, when I'm hauling something small like wood pallets or barrels or something like that. So I go buy burn barrels and stuff. Usually I throw them in my truck, but sometimes I find deals where I can get like 10 of them or 15 of them for free, or for like $20 or something. So I snatch them up when I can. Hell, if nothing else, I cut the metal off the barrel and use it for something. Straighten it out, bend it, whatever. I'm gonna make a cover for that. This wheel has one. I made one for one of my other wheels, a spare. I made that one. The first one I just showed you, it was on one of these, and I put it on a new wheel. But I made that one. It's not pretty, but it was free compared to it was free. So anytime I can do something free, I gotta do it, because like I say, I ain't got money for this. I don't own a business. I don't know anybody that owns businesses that would give me money. I don't have that kind of connection. This is my retirement checks that go towards this. And yeah, so when something comes up for the house or something like that or whatever, like here, in 2 days or so, we'll probably be leaving and going to Texas to check on my mother-in-law. She had surgery, but that's an unexpected trip, unexpected expense, and Texas from Ohio is not close. So, when that happens, I gotta take all that money and rejuggle my bills and my car, my priorities. So, and like where I'm fixing to put new gutters on my house, that's $5,000. So I'm not gonna do it myself. I gotta put windows in my house. you know, not like right now, but there's 6 windows that need to be replaced. And I'm probably going to do all 16 or 17 windows we have total, just to be done with it. But that's like 20-something thousand dollars, which is ridiculous because you'll never get that back out of the house. So kind of like building my shop out back, that's going to be $30,000+, and I ain't never getting that money back. And that's without concrete. If I had concrete, I'll be spending $50,000-$60,000 on a garage. That's half the price of my house. So and to not for sure know that I'm gonna stay here for the rest of my life, kind of crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna check out on y'all for a little while. I'm gonna go get something to drink and make sure the wife don't need something inside the house. Then I'm gonna come back out and drill, and when I get completely done, I'm gonna throw some straps on it and check everything, and I'll bring you back then, and we should be able to pretty much close out this video probably. So we'll see. All right, check with y'all later. Y'all stay good, stay safe today, get on them race cars.